Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, September 8th. The time is around 2:30 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of oil. So over here we can see oil continues to extend on the downside, and currently we could see a little bit more downside in oil to finish a 5 wave starting from this peak here. We got this 1 2 and then now looking for a wave 3 4 and a 5 to the downside. So as long as we stay below 90.38 here, we could see in the extension to the downside still, at least in the shorter cycle. Okay, now let's try to look at the larger degree. Zooming out to the daily time frame over here. Now let's copy this P here. This P on the daily time frame should be this one. Okay, so if this is the P, this needs to be your A. Alright, simple. Now first of all, if you take a look at the daily, what is interesting here is this is the high in $130. If you measure the extension from here, okay, now so far we have a 3 swings and it has reached the 100% extension, right? This is 100%, this is the 161.8%. So if you believe that this is actually a corrective price action, not like a big impulse that, I don't know, will go to 0 or something like that, right? Like a 5 ways down like this. If you believe this is a correction, then technically speaking, we are already in a big support zone here. It's a weekly support zone, daily support zone. So it's, you know, like if you only look at the 5 minutes and 15 minutes like a lot of people do, then yeah, we could see more downside. Still is a big area, but if you look at it from the perspective of a daily, weekly swing, then this is already in the support zone, in which it's if you believe it's not going to be you know, like a bearish market that will do 5 ways down to $20 or something like that, then this is supposed to be the area where you can start to accumulate, right? Accumulate oil. So we got 3 swings pullback, and from here we can, you know, we can call this some kind of like maybe an ABC over here, and then ending a W here, right? Something like that. So it could be an ABC double zigzag like this, right? So this one looks like an impulse, this one 1 2 3 4 5, so it's a 5 3 5 X, and then doing another ABC, and we are now within the C leg that should be in 5 waves, in which we already have with the 1 and 2, now finishing 3 4 5. So yes, we might still see a little bit more downside, but it is already near, you know, it's already at the support zone. So technically it could be completed anytime, right? Could be completed anytime and starts to reverse. But for oil, you really want to see actually it has already broken above this descending trend line and now retesting again. Look, you can take a look at this, right? So so it's not gonna accelerate to the downside, I think. So most likely then it will be kind of sideways, right? Sideways. Even if it extends lower, it's gonna be slow grind like this, a slow grind like this, right, before bottoming and then maybe reversing. So at this point you want to see this trend line broken as your first indication, that this sell-off is finished, and then we might in fact even finish this entire sell-off from here and then starts to do a bigger rally. Okay, but this is going to be your first indication now that the current selling pressure is going to be finished. If it breaks above that channel, and then it can do something bigger in terms of the rally on the upside. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys. So shorter cycle, this is what we're calling. Still a little bit more downside is possible at this point. Okay, so if you want to get further updates on oil or other stocks, commodities, forex, and cryptos, feel free to try our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.